Hey, this is Presh Talwalkar. There's a problem that's going viral right now, and the headlines are raining like cats and dogs. But this is not the first time the problem has gone viral. It's made the round in many years past. The internet is going crazy over a 7-year-old's math problem. So what was the question? There are 49 dogs signed up to compete in a dog show. There are 36 more small dogs than large dogs signed up to compete. How many small dogs are signed up to compete? This is not a terribly difficult question, so let's work through it step by step. Now, for a 7-year-old, you would expect they would actually just try to guess answers and work through the possibilities. So let's go through the problem step by step. We know that there are two types of dogs. There are small dogs and there are large dogs. So we will set up two possibilities. We have S as the number of small dogs and L as the number of large dogs. We know there are 36 more small dogs than large dogs. So let's just make a guess of the number of large dogs, and then we would know the number of small dogs is 36 more than that. The sum of these two will be the total number of dogs. So if the number of large dogs is equal to 1, then 36 more than 1 will be 37, and the total number will be 1 plus 37, which equals 38. Now that is too small of a total, because we know that there are 49 dogs in total, and 38 is smaller than 49. So we need to increase the guess of the number of large dogs. So let's go ahead and jump up to a larger number. Let's say the number of large dogs is equal to 5. Then the number of small dogs will be 5 plus 36, which equals 41. 5 plus 41 will be equal to 46, but 46 is still smaller than 49. So we increase the number of large dogs to 6. Then the number of small dogs will be 36 more, which equals 42. 6 plus 42 is then equal to 48, which is still smaller than 49. We then increase the number of large dogs to 7. 7 plus 36 equals 43. And 7 plus 43 equals 50. But wait a minute now, 50 will be larger than 49. So anything more, any number that we increase the number of large dogs will be an even larger total. So somehow we tried all our guesses and we haven't been able to get 49 dogs in total. So what's the magic number? Rather than continuing to guess and check, let's work this out the proper way using algebra. We know the number of small dogs is 36 more than the number of large dogs, so we have the equation S is equal to L plus 36. The total number of dogs is equal to 49, so S plus L is equal to 49. Now from the first equation, we can take S is equal to L plus 36, and we can substitute that into the second equation. So we have L plus 36 plus L is equal to 49. We now just simplify this equation. We have 2L plus 36 equals 49. Subtract 36 from both sides of the equation to get 2L is equal to 13, and divide both sides of the equation by 2 so that L is equal to 6.5. We then substitute this back into S is equal to L plus 36. So we have S is equal to 6.5 plus 36, which equals 42.5. So the number of small dogs is equal to 42.5. But wait a minute, this makes no sense. What is half of a dog? While there is no mathematical problem with the number 42.5, in real life we know that dogs are measured in terms of whole numbers. So the parents were actually right about this one. They went back to the teacher, and the teacher did admit the question had a mistake. So while every dog has its day, this question seems to have a lot more bark than its bite. And it's still a big wonder why a question that is not possible to be solved captures the attention of the internet every single year. That's a puzzle I leave to you to solve. Thanks for making us one of the best communities on YouTube. See you next episode of Mind Your Decisions, where we solve the world's problems, one video at a time.